Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to find secret 3D letters in Canva and use it for your own design. So let's start with it, and I will be choosing Instagram post as my canvas. So after opening the panel, you need to come to the elements section here, and the first keyword is red 3D fluffy letter. So as you can see, you have to go to the graphics to use and see all the elements and letters. So here you can see all the elements present here, and as you can see, these are all available in pro section and none of them are in free section. So if you are having a pro account, you can use them for your own design. Okay, so let's move to the second keyword, which is silver letters 3D. So this is the second keyword, and in this way I will be sharing with you 5 keywords. So this is the second one, and as you can see, these are really cool letters in 3D, and as you can see, all the letters are available in capital letters, and also you can use this font also, which is silver chrome letter, and this one is the simple silver letters. So when talking about silver, let's come to the third. So when we are talking about silver, the third keyword is gold letters 3D, and as you can see, these are the golden letters, gold letters, and you can also use these ones also. So this is also in gold, but this is another font you can use for your own designs. Okay, so let's move to the fourth keyword, which is green grass letters 3D. So as you can see, two types of fonts are present here. One is this one, green grass, another is short grass letters. So you can use both of them if you are having a pro account. Okay, so this is the fourth keyword, and let's come to the fifth keyword, which is 3D letter with a dripping glossy effect. Okay, so this is the keyword. So as you can see, you can use these 3D letters by using this keyword, 3D letter with a dripping glossy effect. So I hope you liked all the 5 3D letters or 5 keywords which I have shared for finding 3D letters, and let me know in the comment section which letter font you will be using for the first time for your design. Let me know in the comment section.